got off
the hop on, hop off bus. We took a map we thought was the right map. Turns out we didn't get the right map, so we had a lot of fun sightseeing this morning.
It's about 1 o'clock now. We're gonna do a couple more stops, go have lunch, and she's sleeping.
She can't hang.
She's doing really good napping.
It's beginning of October right now, a couple weeks after the passing, after the coronation, so I think the crowds have died down a little bit, but it's still a really pretty sight. The weather's beautiful today. We got really lucky with this London weather so far, so we're taking advantage of it, having a great time, and definitely enjoying the city.
'Cause I could wake up with a broken heart. I could wait until it falls apart. It doesn't matter how hard I try. There's a mountain I got to climb. 'Cause I could wake up on the other side. I could wake up feeling so alive. In the morning when I see the light, I could say that this is my life, my life.
So we're back on the bus. We left Buckingham, got on this bus. Word of advice, make sure you understand the right line that your bus is running, because we didn't. We just took the scenic route. And then make sure you understand the right stop you're getting off on, because we made that mistake too.
But it is really pretty.
It's super pretty. Until you have to lug a 30-pound stroller up and down 4 flights of stairs to go underneath the road. But it was good. We just had lunch at Hard Rock. It was amazing. A lot of good vegetarian options. It's all a lot of American food. She had mac and cheese in a guitar plate, so that was pretty cool. Yeah. And now we're back on the bus.
Are we getting off at 8?
I have no idea.
And the maps, make sure you grab the right map.
Make sure we grabbed the wrong. Can you say hi? Yeah, we grabbed the wrong tour bus map too. So we've had quite a day.
But it's still fun.
Yeah.
Still recommend.
Yeah. Come to London.
Don't I just stand up and shout it? 'Cause I ain't got no time to do nothing about it. I don't think I'm gonna make it if I don't change. And I know I can get better if I run away. But it hurts like hell, so I just go and drown it. And I keep on waiting. I just keep on waiting for nothing. Yeah, I keep on waiting. I just keep on waiting.
We're at Trafalgar Square. I read the 5 about Jack the Ripper, and they were talking about how back in the 1800s when Jack the Ripper was killing, all the people would come sleep up on here and in the whole entire square. So there's the world's smallest police station over there, and he would come and he would tell all the homeless people to leave the square, and he had to post up there all night. And most of those people who would then leave became the victims of Jack the Ripper because they had nowhere else to go. I think it's super interesting.
'Cause I could wake up with a broken heart. I could wait until it falls apart. It doesn't matter how hard I try. There's a mountain I got to climb. 'Cause I could wake up on the other side. I could wake up
What does a lion say?
feeling so alive. In the morning when I see the light, I could say that this is my life, my life.
On the city cruise.
The river cruise, one-way ticket included on the big bus tour. So we're taking advantage of it.
All the area to your left is the City of London, and it measures 1 square mile from a Tower Bridge. This is the capital city on the left. As a St Paul's, it dominates the skyline. On the 6 o'clock news, ladies and gentlemen, wave and smile. You might be on telly.
Just keep on waiting. I'll just keep on waiting forever. I'll just keep on waiting. I'll just wait till things to get better. I'm getting used to being someone with a heartbreak. I think I'm ready to get better for my own sake. And I won't keep waiting. Just keep on waiting for nothing. it falls apart. Don't matter how hard I try, there's a mountain I got to climb.
We just wrapped up dinner. It's a little bit of a delayed anniversary dinner. Had some babysitters to take care of Olivia, so we went to the Anchor. It's just on the south side of the Thames. It is 407 years old. Its claim to fame, people such as Shakespeare have eaten here, and same thing with Tom Cruise. Supposedly they've both visited the bathroom, which I did as well.
Not the men's.
Not the men's bathroom. I might share some history with Shakespeare, which is cool. But nothing great about the food. Food was totally normal English pub food, but the experience was awesome. Food was great. Awesome date night. Happy 3 years.
We're gonna go back to the Airbnb. Go to sleep.
Go to sleep. Bye.
Good night. Good morning.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, just
Morning. It's day 3 here in London. It's about 1:50ish right now, and we are starting the day early. I'm like a little kid.
Every time I see you, I'm caught up in the feeling. I get tunnel vision. Every time I see you, everything around you fades into the wind, and my heart is thrown open. Feels like slow motion. I never knew the feeling until you.
Layering these movements, performed by the actors with the powerful costumes. As seen here, designed by Jenny Timmy, gave the Death Eaters their fearsome feel and reputation, which carried right through from their first appearance to their last.
So, out of all of the gold and silver and all of the things for the vault room, there was only one item that wasn't made out of rubber, and it's this one right here. Since they had to be covered in this treasure, they had the press to actually make the goblets and things run non-stop for days so that they could get, I think they said 38,000 pieces. Except for that one.
set from 2000, 2001, I believe. Back then computers weren't as smart, so this is all built by hand. It took 14 sculptors 9 months to build all that. Every door and every window opens as well. It's like, the camera probably won't do it justice, but the scale of this thing is a lot bigger than what you would think. So you gotta come here and check it out.